We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Okay guys, so there's something that I did before I actually started crinkling. What I did was I put the hair with this. This is heat protectant. Now you don't necessarily have to use this particular one, but this is just the one that I choose to use. And also I put some glosser on it, some pink glosser. And you have to be really careful with this because a little goes a long way, so you don't want to overdo it. And I just worked that into the hair before I started crinkling. And when I was ready to crinkle the hair, I hit it with some Got to Be Glued just to kind of have that really defined curl and wave pattern. And I want to show y'all. This is actually what I'm using. This is a I don't even know the dimensions of this, but this is what type of crimper that I'm using. Okay, and it goes all the way up to 430 on here. And what I started off with was initially 360, but then I crunk it up to 400, which is actually giving me the nice, really set crinkles. So I'm going to do a couple of them so you guys can see, for example, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. Okay, so I forgot to mention how long to actually leave your crinklers onto the hair after spraying. So I tried my hardest to leave the crinklers on for at least 15 to 20 seconds to get a really defined look. So it's your preference or not if you want to leave it on that long. So this is how our crinkle came out. It's not perfect. Got a little mistake right here, but it's okay. I'm gonna do one more for y'all.
Mesmerizing music for the street. Mesmerizing music for the street.
Why don't we see what Unity thinks? Unity?
I'm just taking a little break from stuff. You know?
See,
I need to relax.
Oh, hey, what's this on the
that's
news, guys?
what it looks
Let me
like.
turn it up.
In the news today, this looks a lot
And
worse
I'm
than it
just
is.
gonna smooth them just a bit more. Like they got to be. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish this bad boy. And we're gonna come back. And the whole wig is gonna be crinkled, okay? Okay guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video.